He allowed the peaceful melody of the flowing water to wash over him and bring him a sense of serenity. As he became fully present in the moment, he felt his consciousness merge with the river, bringing him to a state of complete tranquility. A sense of oneness overtook him, and in the stillness of the moment, he heard the river's gentle whisper, "My dear child, release your fears and worries. Surrender yourself to the flow of life. Trust that you are exactly where you are meant to be, and always focus on the present